There's Hicks and Sons over there, junk removal. They got a pull behind trailer. I started out in that. Very handy. But that would be one of the people that I would like to have on the show. Hicks and Sons junk removal. And every time I see them, they're so it's they're all black, working hard doing junk removal. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. It's another day. Finishing up, just unloaded the truck. Headed to go do 3 or 4 small jobs today. That's where you weigh in over there. This is Doraville. They're going to be throwing off a big old couch. There he is. Flipping it over. You never know, that could be the next Discovery junk star. I'm Richard's Junk Removal in my truck. 2 other companies. So I don't know, never know. Hope the Discovery Channel comes through.